One of the biggest businesses in the world is Google. But did you know that a straightforward Google technique might make you a lot of money? In order to understand more about the approach and perhaps earn more than $1,800 each day, stay watching the video until the very end. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. I want you to first go to Google and type in the words Google News. Then, you'll be directed to this page. Now, you must pay great attention to the many categories on the left-hand side of the website if you want to get compensated by Google. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are all available to us. You can locate news about that topic by clicking on one of these. Pick one that interests you for the next stage from the numerous articles here that all appear to be written very professionally. After selecting one, simply click on it to be sent to the official article, which includes all of the latest information on the subject you choose. Copy the paragraph or the sentences. Visit spinbot.com as we go on to the next level. A free text rewriting tool is called Spinbot. As you can see, all you have to do to begin rewriting the articles is to paste the text we previously copied over here and click this button. Using the power of Google and AI technology, you can rewrite articles to make them more your own and transform them into content that is superior to the competition, and where you can make tons of money. You must go to two distinct websites in order to finish the third phase. Be aware that visiting more websites will increase your income. TextBroker.com is the first website, hence. Here are some good justifications for enrolling in TextBroker right away. First of all, joining is cost-free, and you have a ton of flexibility and freedom regarding time and the number of articles you may submit. Once you've earned $10, they start paying you weekly and you can start making withdrawals into your account. After arriving at the TextBroker webpage, select iWrite content from the menu and then select payment. They'll demonstrate your earning potential for you. Here, you can get paid right away. Of course, everything depends on how well written your essay is. On this website, you will be awarded star ratings, and different ratings equate to varying payment rates per word. Again, you are under no obligation to write your own articles, and you do not need to have any prior writing expertise. iWriter.com is the second website on our list. To use iWriter, follow these 5 easy steps. Make a free account in the first step. Request the kind of content you wish to work on in step 2. The category for the articles you intend to produce must therefore be chosen first. Getting your content from the writer is the third step. Review your content in step 4 and decide whether to accept or reject it. Fifth, convince people to download your material and pay you. They will pay you handsomely here, as you can see from this page. Your income will now fluctuate depending on what people buy. 300 words under Elite cost $7.70. Let's presume you're serious about this if you go higher. That amounts to $88 for 4,000 words. The good news is that you may join the Elite Plus category and earn $290 for 4,000 words, which is a sizable chunk of money if you create top-quality articles like those from Google News. By submitting the same article to TextBroker.com and iWriter.com, you can reuse it endlessly. Use the ability of Google News to find numerous articles to earn money from Google. You can rewrite those articles and send them to the 3 preceding websites using an AI tool called Spinbot. By doing this, you will receive payments repeatedly. And that's it. Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, hit the notification bell.